Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'll tell you all about active and passive voice. So please listen very carefully. So first of all students, the meaning of voice. Actually, voice is the verb form which shows a relation of the subject of the verb. So it shows the relation of the subject of the verb to the action which the verb expresses. So what kind of action we are talking about here, I'll tell you in next example. Okay, so as you're seeing here that I have a one sentence, that is Priya sings a song. So as you are seeing here that Priya sings a song, we are writing here a simple sentence, and hope so that you will find that this is a present indefinite tense, which is also known as simple present tense. So what was the rule of the present indefinite? That with he, she, it or any name we applied s or es. So here the sentence is Priya sings a song, जैसे कि मैंने आपको टेंस में ये एक्सप्लेन किया था, right? So this is all about active and passive voice, and अगर आप इस चीज़ को लर्न करना चाहते हैं तो first thing is very clear that you have to clear the concept of the tenses. And if you have a proper knowledge of the tenses, then definitely you will learn this topic very easily. Okay, so as in a first sentence you just have seen here that Priya sings a song, so this is simple present tense, that is also known as present indefinite. तो हम जब इस सेंटेंस को बनाते हैं, whenever we have to use active and passive voice, तो उस चीज़ को हम कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं, I'll just tell you here. लाइक यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस मैंने दिया, सो यू आर सीइंग हियर दैट व्हाट वाज आवर सब्जेक्ट, वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. सो हाउ आई एम सेइंग दिस, लाइक प्रिया जो है इसमें सब्जेक्ट था, ठीक है, सेंटेंस में, बट आप नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में देखोगे तो प्रिया जो है वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया, एंड जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट अ सॉन्ग था वो हमारा अब क्या बन चुका है, सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो इसको हम कैसे बनाएंगे, यू जस्ट हैव टू लिसन नाउ. लाइक प्रिया सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई जस्ट राइट हेयर ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ सब्जेक्ट अ सॉन्ग, एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई सी कि ये हमारा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है, तो हमने इसमें एक रूल को जो है वो अप्लाई करना है, दैट वुड बी अर इज एम आर प्लस V3. So one thing is very clear that in an active and passive voice we just have to use V3. So sing change into sung. A song, we are talking about single song, ठीक है, सिंगल ट्रैक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सिंगल सॉन्ग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we can write here is sung by Priya. So that was our active and passive voice sentences. So हम यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि thus we can say that the voice is of two types. So उनकी types कौन सी है, active and passive voice. So a verb is used to be in active voice when its subject act, जब कोई subject act करता है, like जो भी subject है वो as a act play role करता है, so we can say that this is active voice. Okay, so कैसे, I made a mistake, she is learning a lesson. Okay, but in a second line you can see that a verb is said to be in a passive voice when its subject is acted upon, जब सब्जेक्ट पे एक्ट किया जाता है. हाउ, अ मिस्टेक, लाइक मैंने आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन किया था दैट इन विच वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग अ ऑब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट. तो अब हमारा यहाँ पे अ मिस्टेक है, दैट इज़ अर ऑब्जेक्ट, बट हेयर वी विल यूज़ इट एज अ सब्जेक्ट. सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा अ मिस्टेक, देन आई जस्ट फाइंड इट कि जो मेड है दिस इज़ अ सेकेंड फॉर्म, सो हेयर वी विल राइट was made, as we are using a third form. By, I change into me, so I made a mistake, change into a mistake was made by me. You can see here the next sentence, she is learning a lesson, so same as we will do a lesson, and if we have a is mr plus ing, so all the time we have to apply is mr plus being. जब भी हमारे पास इज एम आर प्लस आई एन जी होगा देन वी विल राइट देयर बीइंग. ओके, so we are writing her lesson is being learnt by she changed into her. So that was all about our active and passive voice. So hopefully that you already have clear your all points here. So next is change of voice. So first of all I'll give you some instructions that you have to follow. As rule number 1 is saying that or object of the active verb is made the subject to the passive verb. As I earlier explained you, जो हमारा object है that would be our subject, जो हमारा subject है that would be our object. So in a rule number 1 and 2 that is only mentioned. ठीक है. Third is the passive form voice must contain the third form of the main verb. ये भी मैंने आपको already बता दिया है that in active and passive voice we have to use V3. The next rule number 4 is the tense of the verb doesn't change. That would not change. That would just try to write to the more and more exercises form of the verb with this. Like we were using a is mr plus ing and there we were writing is being, are being. Okay, so that was all about our tense of the verb. Rule number 5 is the form of the verb is used according to the tense. So it's very clear that अगर आपको tense की knowledge है then definitely you will complete your active and passive voice. So here we can use our tense form and a proper. Okay, so as you are seeing here that हमारा यहाँ पे sentence है she writes a letter. So how we can make this? यहाँ पे सेम थिंग है कि दिस इज़ अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस बिकॉज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस एंड द रूल ऑफ द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस S और ES. राइट, हम S और ES के साथ जो है उसके साथ हम ये देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट. सो इफ सब्जेक्ट इज़ ही शी इट और एनी नेम देन डेफिनेटली वी कैन अप्लाई S or ES with this. So if we have a she now, so definitely it's very clear that we will write their rights, not a right. Okay, so now sentences. Letter is like a letter. First of all, a letter object becomes our subject. A letter is written by her. Same as it, we are using if we have a S or ES then we have to change into is mr plus V3. Okay, I'll just tell you next that what kind of rules we have to follow for this. Okay, so next students, it's a very important aspect to complete our active and passive voice. That this is a change of persons, that how we can change this. Like in a most of the sentence I was changing like he, him, she, her. Right, so this is all about subject to object. जब हम subject जो है होता है उसे हम object में जाके change करते हैं. ठीक है, I write a letter is written by me, so I change into me. तो वो जो subject था वो object में जाके क्या change होता है, कैसे change होता है, me. Right, so here you can pause this video and please try to learn the subject to object. Okay, so next is as the case may be, and that can also be happen कि subject, possessive and object you have to use this like I, my, and in object that's very clear कि me आएगा उसमें, we or us. Here you can also pause the video and try to learn this, so it would be very easy for you to learn. The next thing and the very important thing is to change of tenses from active to passive. So how we can change this? So firstly in this video today I'll just only tell you all about present tense, so that one by one you can learn this, that what is active and passive voice. So students, as you are seeing here that first of all I just made here table and present tense is written over there, active, passive and passive voice. First of all you are seeing here indefinite. So indefinite का rule हमारा क्या होता है tense का, that we use V1 plus S or ES. Right, and a negative do, doesn't plus V1. Continuous में क्या होता था, is mr plus V1 plus ing. Perfect में क्या rule था हमारा, that was has, have plus V3. So it would be very clear that all the rules are of present tense, and if you have a knowledge of present tense then definitely you will be able to learn this. Right, so that was all about our present tense and how we can do this in active voice. And you can see now in a passive voice. सो यहाँ पे जो सेकंड कॉलम है दैट इज़ ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस। और अगर हमारे पास एक्टिव वॉइस में हमारे पास V1 प्लस एस और ई एस आता है दैट कैन बी चेंज विद इज एम आर प्लस V3। लाइक मैंने आपको सेंटेंस दिया था शी राइट्स अ लेटर, सो दैट वॉज अर इंडेफिनिट, राइट, इंडेफिनिट था, उसमें एस और ई एस थी, V1 था। तो हमने उस सेंटेंस को कैसे चेंज करना है, वी विल जस्ट राइट देयर इज एम आर प्लस V3। Isn't it easy? Yeah, ये बहुत easy है आपके लिए करना, but the thing is very clear that you need to first of all clear all the things about tenses, right? So in a negative you can see if we have a do, does not plus V1, अगर हमारा कोई ऐसा sentence आता है जिसमें हमारे do और does not लगता है then we will write there is MR plus not प्लस V3 एज इट्स अ कंपल्शन इन अ वॉइस। तो वो जो हमारा डू डज के प्लेस हो जाएगी इज एम आर के साथ। वी विल नॉट राइट डिडंट, वी विल जस्ट राइट इज एम आर प्लस नॉट। डन। द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कंटिन्यूस। कंटिन्यूस मीन्स टू से कॉन्टीन्यूटी ऑफ सम एक्शन। सो जैसे हम कॉन्टीन्यूटी ऑफ सम एक्शन के लिए यूज़ करते थे टेंस में इज एम आर प्लस V1 प्लस ING। सो नाउ इन अ पैसिव वॉइस वी जस्ट हैव टू डू अ लिटल थिंग दैट इज़ टू राइट बीइंग विद दिस, nothing else. We will change only a one word, we will write only one word, that would be our being। जहाँ कहीं भी आपको ING दिखेगा इज एम आर के साथ then definitely you will write there being, okay, with V3 as it's a very compulsion for us to write a V3। एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ परफेक्ट। सो स्टूडेंट्स अगर हमारे सेंटेंस में देयर इज़ हैज़ हैव प्लस V3, सो आपने वहीं से एस्टिमेट लगा लेना है कि येस इट्स अ हैज़ हैव, तो हमने इसके साथ एक चीज़ ऐड करनी है दैट वुड बी अर बीइंग, सो V3। सो आपने देखा होगा इन सारे सेंटेंसेस में जो भी कुछ है नथिंग इज़ चेंज्ड हियर, बस उन्हीं चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा उन्होंने चेंज करके लिखा हुआ है। ओके, लाइक एस और एस हो यू विल राइट इज एम आर, डू डज नॉट हो देन यू विल राइट इज एम आर नॉट, इज एम आर प्लस V1 प्लस ING हो देन यू विल राइट इज एम आर प्लस बीइंग, एंड इफ यू हैव अ हैज़ हैव देन ओनली अ सिंगल वर्ड you have to add, that is being। Okay, so next thing is about present indefinite tense। Now clearly once again I'll just repeat all the things that I already have repeated in your column and table। So first is subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object। कुछ याद आए यहाँ से आपको, because we was using our present indefinite tense as V1 plus S or ES लिखते थे ना वहाँ पे, like she washes clothes, so this is our active। सो अब हमने इस एक्टिव को पैसिव करना है। सो हाउ वी कैन डू दिस? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है दैट वुड बी आवर ऑब्जेक्ट, सो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है दैट वुड बी आवर सब्जेक्ट। इट्स अ वेरी इजी पॉइंट फॉर अस। सो पहले हम यही कहेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में। तो मैंने अपना जो ऑब्जेक्ट था वो एज अ सब्जेक्ट ले लिया, ठीक है। सो माई ऑब्जेक्ट वॉज क्लोथ्स। नाउ आई जस्ट सी देयर कि मेरा जो सेंटेंस है दैट इज़ इन अ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। सो जैसे मैंने आपको कॉलम में समझाया दैट इफ़ वी हैव एस और एस और V1 देन डेफिनेटली वी विल जस्ट राइट देयर इज एम आर, means to say that would be your choice that we will write is am are, because that depends upon our subject। so subject is clothes, so definitely I'll just use here are, then wash change into washed, by she change into her। so this is all about passive। okay, I hope so that would be very easy for you। okay, so next sentence I do not play hockey। तो मैंने क्या explain किया that if you have a do not, does not, then you will write there is am are। okay, so first of all do the one thing that first of all our object would be subject। so object हमारा hockey है and now hockey would be our subject। so hockey is not played by I change into me। so this is all about our passive voice, right? the next is present continuous। so continuous means to say continuity of some action, as we were using in is MR plus V1 plus ING। so here we will do like she is joining the summer camp। So this is our active. So how we can change this in a passive voice? So it's very clear. First of all, our object would be our subject. So subject हमारा क्या है? The summer camp. And if we have a is mr plus ing, जैसे is mr यहाँ पे is joining है, so हम ये find कर सकते हैं that this is in present continuous tense. So हम क्या करेंगे? Little bit we have to do a changes. So हम वहाँ पे summer camp is being joined by her. Again we will use a V3, then by, then she changed into her. So this is our passive voice. Okay students, so the next is present perfect. So how we can do present perfect? You know that in a present perfect tense we use has, have plus V3, क्योंकि perfect में तो हमारी V3 लगती ही है. Okay, and in voice we have to basically use our V3. So here is sentence, my sister has completed her homework. So this is our active. So how can I change this in the passive voice? तो मैंने passive voice में change करने के लिए क्या करूँगी? First of all, I do my changes in object to subject. So my object is homework, so I'll just write this as subject. So homework has, I have to add a one thing. वहाँ पे बोला था ना मैंने कि हमें एक चीज़ ऐड करनी है, that is been. So complete change into completed by my sister, because completed already है हमारी third form that we have to use in a perfect tense. वो हमारा present perfect tense में V3 already use होती है, and definitely we will write the same form of the verb completed, because we have to use a V3, right? So students, that was all about our active and passive voice, and I hope so that आपकी इस वीडियो के साथ सारे डाउट्स जो हैं क्लियर हो जाएंगे.